Hi, welcome back to Uniquely Beautiful. I'm Sheridan, and today I wanted to talk to you about depression and anxiety and just life itself. I've been going through that, and I mentioned it in my first video. I've dealt with anxiety my whole life, and depression I haven't really dealt with. It's something new. Just lack of motivation, lack of just doing anything. All I want to do is sleep and just drown myself in everything but life, I guess. It sounds so dark, and I've been trying to overcome it, and I figured making a YouTube channel would help me and help me find other people who are dealing with it and how they've dealt with it and dealing with it. It's just, I think, more of me not just having friends like that or just not getting out of the house. Like, I have a friend that I talk to a lot, but just in general and in life, I don't have any friends or just people that I could really just talk to. I feel maybe that's what I'm trying to say. And I feel like my anxiety and just me being so hard on myself stops me from becoming and being who I really want to be and what I want to accomplish in life. And I feel like I've just realized that, and it's something hard to deal with. And depression doesn't just affect you, it affects everyone around you. And I have a great support system, but you ever have that feeling where you're in a room with a whole bunch of people, but you just feel so lonely, and it's hard to talk to someone who doesn't understand what you're going through. So I just thought that I would make a YouTube channel to help myself and hopefully better myself, and hopefully find other people who are dealing with the same thing I'm dealing with, and to see how I can beat this before I fall deeper and deeper into it. I didn't think it was going to be this hard to make a video. I've been wanting to do YouTube for so long and to try to inspire other girls, and it's like, how am I supposed to inspire anyone when I'm feeling this way about myself? But then me talking to my fiance, he's like, well, there's probably other girls who are going through the same thing, or women, who are going through the same thing that you're going through, and they need someone who's feeling that way and to help them get through what they're going through. And I never thought about it that way. I've become a real private person, so to be this vulnerable and to be this open on camera is just so new to me, and it's so hard for me. And just to bring up and just admit that I'm going through what I'm going through is so hard. I I just feel like there's steps to it, I guess, and I'm just trying to deal with it in my own way, and I'm trying to get through it. I'm trying to not let it consume me and take over my life. And I'm trying to be a better person and a better me. And hopefully there's other people who are going through what I'm going through and can help, or I can help as I progress in my journey. So don't be afraid to message me or, you know, hit me up or email me. I'll have everything down below. We can talk. We can try to help each other in this crazy world and life. Thank you guys for listening. And I hope to get positive energy and positive vibes back from this, and nothing negative, because that's what I'm trying to be more positive in life and share my life and be as open as possible. So, but yes, thank you guys for listening. I will see you guys in my next video.